Molweni guys, ngiliye malume apha andimanga ndedwa ndime noHlopman
ACVOG.
ACVOG artist VOG Voice of Gqeberha ndazi joga hayi joga yeah budam khawutsho maHlopman like singakufumana like njani xa ufuna ukubhukisha.
You can get me on TikTok, but I haven't like put my number there. But I'm gonna put my details on TikTok, like how to book me and everything. But like basically on Facebook, it's easy to reach me. Like on Facebook, I'm ACVOG, same as TikTok, I'm ACVOG.
Okay, khoma so audience xa sikubamba singabamba ngobani like igama lakho.
Oh, Atwengile Nhlabathi.
Yeah, igama lo mculi.
My music name is ACVOG.
ACVOG, okay, thangu for man. Ungastripele nje line noba zimbini ezintathu nje ubonisa nje audience.
Alright, let's go. Cut off the act, get to the point, make it a rap. Never can stop till they make it a plaque. Voice of Gqeberha, you digging the tag. Why they keep talking the shit except tag? Can't say sorry, hell no sir. This then cape, I'm there, but I make men them stare. Post my vids on Facebook, now I make dabs. One few labs, call me a champ, but money talks, better give me the bag. Many shots, hope you taking a stand. My heart on ice, do I look like I'm scared? Keep it real, man, just never tell. Nah, how that shit.
I'm really that's power, damn. Kumane muko I online you gig in some not to kumano
soon, I don't think so. But as soon as the fam drops something, I'ma be there, like participating as an artist, because I'm also part of the South Radio Frequency.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be bookings, guys.
Also kind of like dropped the single though. Okay. I dropped the link on Facebook and on TikTok too, but everyone can like follow that.
Right, guys, like yeah, bookish of man. Yeah, well, khona gigs azoba nazo soon sizanibonisa sizaniphathela yena itaya. That's power time. Dango ningalibali nithi nimfollowise Hotman ni like and subscribe. Like and subscribe guys. Show some love.
Shout out to Big Bro Kenji TMZ though.
Dango. Yeah. Dango.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, bro.